Welcome back to another exciting video on the Bible. Today is day 7 of our series, The Prophet's Story. Did you know in the Old Testament, Israel was split into 2 nations? After the sin of King Solomon, the hearts of the Israelites were led astray, and they no longer listened to God. Instead, following their own hearts, they betrayed God. They soon lost their way and were easily overtaken by Gentile nations, tearing Israel into 2. So at this time, God sent prophets to guide his people and to prepare them for the arrival of a promised Messiah that would save them from their sins. They were very different from the prophets of Gentile nations and weren't trying to make a name for themselves through false teachings. Instead, these prophets served as messengers of God. They were given many visions and saw prophecies and were told to record what they saw. However, even they themselves didn't understand what these things meant. In 1 Kings chapter 18, the prophet Elijah is confronted with Baal worshippers who have betrayed God. He does not cower in fear, but challenges them, call out their God and to send fire. But of course, nothing happens, and Elijah taunts them. However, when Elijah calls out to the true God, fire comes down from heaven. In the book of Isaiah, the prophet Isaiah receives many prophecies and dreams concerning the things to come in the future, but the realities of these visions were mysteries to him. Isaiah faithfully recorded the things he saw and was acknowledged by God. In addition to receiving visions, Isaiah also had to speak to the people of Israel. He warned them that destruction would follow disobedience. He also conveyed God's heart and spoke of the mysteries concerning God's will. Yet, the people refused to listen. So used to their lives and the lives of comfort, they rejected the truth and the warnings that came from God's messengers. Instead, the people of Israel killed Isaiah and the other prophets. As we reflect on Israel's history, let's make an effort to become the generation that is finally faithful to God.
Hey, mortal friends! Thanks for visiting us at EZBible. Don't forget to click the like and the subscribe button. God bless. Jesus.